Hitgalut.
Chapter 7. After this I saw 4 malachim standing at the 4 corners of the earth, holding the 4 ruchot of the earth, so that no ruach would blow on the earth, or on the sea, or on any tree. I saw another malach ascend from the sunrise, having the seal of the living Elohim. He cried with a loud voice to the 4 malachim, to whom it was given to harm the earth and the sea, saying, "Don't harm the earth, neither the sea nor the trees, until we have sealed the bondservants of our Elohim on their foreheads." I heard the number of those who were sealed, 144,000, sealed out of every tribe of the children of Israel. Of the tribe of Yehudah were sealed 12,000, of the tribe of Reuben 12,000, of the tribe of Gad 12,000, of the tribe of Asher 12,000, of the tribe of Naphtali 12,000, of the tribe of Manasseh 12,000, of the tribe of Shimon 12,000, of the tribe of Levi 12,000, of the tribe of Issachar 12,000, of the tribe of Zebulun 12,000, of the tribe of Yosef 12,000, of the tribe of Binyamin were sealed 12,000. After these things I looked, and behold, a great multitude, which no man could number, out of every nation, and of all tribes, peoples, and languages, standing before the throne and before the Lamb, dressed in white robes, with palm branches in their hands. They cried with a loud voice, saying, "Yeshua be to our Elohim, who sits on the throne, and to the Lamb." All the malachim were standing around the throne, the elders and the 4 living creatures, and they fell on their faces before his throne, and worshipped Elohim, saying, "Amen. Blessing, glory, wisdom, thanksgiving, honor, power, and might be to our Elohim forever and ever. Amen." One of the elders answered, saying to me, "These who are arrayed in white robes, who are they, and from where did they come?" I told him, "Adoni, you know." He said to me, "These are those who came out of the great tribulation. They washed their robes and made them white in the Lamb's blood. Therefore they are before the throne of Elohim. They serve him day and night in his temple. He who sits on the throne will spread his Mishkan over them. They will never be hungry, neither thirsty any more. Neither will the sun beat on them, nor any heat. For the Lamb who is in the midst of the throne shepherds them, and leads them to springs of waters of life. And Elohim will wipe away every tear from their eyes."